Hello, fellow YouTubers! Today I'm going to show you this Access-is HID keyboard, model number AKB500. Please enjoy the video. Now I'm going to start with this MCR OCR stripe thing right here, which is just like any other keyboard. Now this particular model is designed for airport terminals, is what they call this on keyboards with a magnetic stripe reader and something else. OCR might refer to something else. Now, there is a diagram here that explains about the cards and what types you're going to be using. Now, at airport terminals like, say like MDT, that stands for Middletown. And HIA refers to Harrisburg International Airport for Middletown, Pennsylvania. Now, this particular model actually has this here, a passport card right here with two arrows, one on each side. And that's actually pretty nice, but there is also a light right here which tells you, like, when you're swiping the card on this piece of white stripe thing here. I kind of like that design. Now, the keyboard here is just a normal standard 104 key keyboard. There is an extra set of mouse buttons here with a track point nub. Now, IBM and Lenovo use this as well. The Dell Latitude laptops also use this, but their version is actually blue. Now, Cherry actually uses switches on this particular keyboard. Now, Cherry refers to this as the Cherry MX Black switches. You cannot interchange the switches on this because it is not an RGB keyboard like that typewriter keyboard that I've got downstairs. It's actually pretty nice, and I think I like the satisfying sound of these buttons here. I kind of like the button layout. Now, on the back here is a 9-pin DSO connector and a USB hub here. Now, I did take that cover off that was on the back of it in order to see what was underneath. And lo and behold, it is actually a USB hub, two USB 1.1 ports, which is actually pretty nice. I did see what was under this, and nothing is actually under there. Now, 2 feet are actually under here, surprisingly. You can see what is under here. Now, there are stickers here that tell you right here. And then one of them actually says Access-is, manufactured in England. And there is a SITA sticker there. I'm not sure what the barcode has to do with the keyboard. Now, supposedly, I bought this from eBay for like, I want to say about $49 or something like that. But at the same time, it was probably weird because the sticker on the bottom says it was manufactured in England. I'm not sure where in England. Probably Bedford, England or something like that. It might be a very early... Now, Access-is actually now acquired by a company that produces the Fargo printers called HID. And that refers to human interface devices or it might be a different brand or something like that. Human interface device, whatever. It's kind of weird. Now, there is actually there's actually this Windows 9X key design. This is unusual because a lot of airport terminals are still using Windows 9X keyboards on modern systems. That at the time was a little bit more expensive. These keyboards were really expensive to replace at the time, and I think that that's only abundant if you actually look up these keyboards that look like this. They use a cash register style stripe reader that, most of these keyboards have got. And plus you do have the red light right there, the magnetic stripe reader thing there, the 2 diagrams right here for cards, another diagram here for our card, the passport thing there, the keyboard here with the Cherry MX Black switches here, the set of mouse buttons here with the track point nub, the 2 USB ports with the 9-pin DSO connector, the hole for nothing right there, a sticker on the bottom for the Access-is logo made in England, and also you do have the Access-is logo right there, and also you do have the Windows 9X keys on the keyboard there. That's it for now. Bye-bye.